Post-construction cleaning requires professionals because the crew have experience with the construction cleans. They know what to look for. They pay attention to detail that would regularly get missed on an everyday clean. They have the tools that need to be used. They specialize in the techniques to get the job done effectively and thoroughly. We have our PPE. They use steel-toed boots. We have hard hats that they use, gloves that we specialize so they are not getting hurt on the job. Most of the time, the employees that we do send to construction cleans, they already know. We have a specific quality control manager for these construction cleans who know what to look for. They've had the experience. They've been to multiple different types of construction cleans, not just for offices, but for warehouses, churches, every type of building we have trained for it. Yeah, it would be when hiring professional cleaners to do post-construction clean, that space is open to be used sooner. So they don't have to wait for the construction people to clean up after themselves. They can leave that stuff there and the professionals will go in and clean it in like a timely manner. So it will get done sooner and then they can go ahead and use that space.